Yugoo is committed to develop and manufacture of high-temp fastener and various types of self-locked fasteners. Yugoo products are widely used in automotive, aerospace, ship, military industry, high-speed rail fields. Over the past 15 years, Yugoo has vigorously promoted technological innovation, management innovation, and business model innovation. Meanwhile, thanks to the introduction of talents, independent R&D, and equity incentive, Yugoo has built a united, efficient team, which makes Yugoo the leading of high-temp, anti-sintering, corrosion resistance, figure resistance, and anti-loose and other technical fields with profound technical perception. Differentiate capabilities, demand-oriented and application-oriented, Yugoo has been continuously developing and providing fastening system solutions that meet higher standards. In the era of China's manufacturing industry is marching toward Industry 4.0, Yugoo is located in Taicang, the hometown of German enterprises in China, which has perfect supporting fastener industry chain and convenient transportation advantages of sea, land and air. Yugoo sets independent research and development, production, processing, logistics, transportation, and sales and services. Every year of the export countless high-temp and anti-elastic fasteners to customers all over the world. Also, we have obtained more than 20 kinds of patent certificates every year. In meeting higher national emission standards, Yugoo actively carries out various experiments and data analysis of high-temp materials in order to challenge the ultra-high strength of code forming of various high alloys and the limits of various anti-sintering and anti-corrosion with the most economical and stable technology. Yugoo has already mastered the processing technology of high-temp materials such as ATA, Inconel 718, Inconel 61, A286, SAS431, SAS347, SAS310, and we also have the capacity of bulk supply. Yugoo adopts code forming to ensure the consistency, stability, and service roughness of products, which also improves the production efficiency and reduces the production cost. The pressure monitoring device equipped on all the code forming machines and thread rolling machines can realize the online error prevention. Yugoo has introduced a number of aviation standard vacuum heat treatment furnaces, combined with independent research and development of heat treatment technology, can achieve 14.9 plus, 16.9 plus, 18.9, and other ultra-high strength. Yugoo has passed IATF 16949 2016 Quality Management System and ISO 14001 2015 Environmental Management System. We guarantee the suitable development of product quality to meet the laws and regulations. Our laboratory has a number of testing equipment, such as friction coefficient testing machine, high temperature testing machine, spectrograph and metrographic microscope, which can meet the DVP verification and mass production reliability testing in the research and development stage, including test capacity of high temperature creep resistance test, operation test. In the future, Yugoo will still be deeply rooted in the field of high-temp and anti-tightness system, dedicated service. At the same time, we provide a growth platform for employees, create a win-win model for suppliers and customers. We devote ourselves to make greater contributions to the society with integrity and responsibility for a more magnificent future.